bag is. Remember? It was on the counter.
Yeah, do you remember when I dumped it on the floor?
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go find it. Okay, come on. It's not there. The money bag was sitting right here on the counter, and then Canyon pulled it off, and it spilled everywhere. What happened after that, though?
Maybe they put them in a drawer or a cupboard.
Everybody spread out and look for that bag. Okay, down here.
Nothing in there.
Just towels. Nope, no bag in there.
You really looked in the oven for a bag? Savannah, there's no bag in there.
Canyon dropped it right here, and they cleaned it up. Maybe they put it in the dishwasher.
Nope.
If it wasn't in the oven, it's definitely not gonna be the dishwasher, Lizzy.
Hey, I have an idea. Maybe it's in here. Let's see.
Nothing. Guys, we need to think of something different because this is not working out. Meet me at the planning table. Guys, this is not working out. We have 0 quarters, a gumball machine, and I am not strong enough to get the gumball out without a quarter. I have an idea!
What is it, Az? Because I want a gumball. Me too.
This better be good, Az.
Oh, it is. What we need is something stronger than what we have.
Okay, what's stronger than what we have?
Tools? Nope. Incredible Hulk? Yes, but no.
This table's stronger.
Nope. The table can't twist it so that the gumballs come out. Exactly! We need something that can actually twist it that's strong enough. Well then, tell us what it is.
A robot, of course. Of course, that's a great idea.
Yeah!
But where are we gonna get a robot?
Think. I know. We don't have the magic wand.
And nobody fell asleep to have a dream.
You guys are forgetting about the magic closet.
The magic closet, of course. But one of us needs to become the robot.
Oh yeah, turned into the robot by the magic closet. Who's it gonna be though? Me, I will do it.
Really, Canyon? You're gonna be the robot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go turn you into a robot, Canyon.
Hurry!
This is going to work.
Okay.
This is going to work. Here is magic closet.
Whoa!
Gigo, step inside.
Oh boy, what did I sign up for?
I sure hope this works. What do we do now?
Maybe we should say some magic words. Maybe we should imagine the coolest robot ever.
Oh, that's perfect. What's the coolest robot ever, though?
We need a robot that's really strong. And I think it needs to be the same size as Canyon.
Oh, and look exactly like Canyon.
But still be a robot?
Guys, are we gonna do this or not?
Yes! Let's do it! Imagine! 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 Imagine!
Do you guys think it worked?
I don't know.
Me neither. Canyon, Gigo, are you there?
Guys, there's a remote!
Whoa! I think this is supposed to be this is the remote we control the robot with. Hooters, open the door.
Maybe turn on the remote first.
Okay, the antennas are out, but I don't know which button the on button is.
Let me see it. I'll show you.
It's working! I wonder how this works. It's working! Let's see. Hold on to the door and turn it. And push it open. And walk out of the closet. It's working! Okay, walk to the right. Okay, and give me that thing.
I'm gonna have some fun with this. Sit down on the floor. Now stand up. Let's give me that thing. I get to do it this time. How about dance like a robot?
I love on the knob. Now twist with all of your might.
Guys, it's not working. He's twisting hard and it's not working at all.
There has to be a button on here that'll make things work. There's a button with a camera on it, or a red button. There's one with a pause on it, and there's one right here that says sport on it. I wonder what that does. Oh no!
Savannah, push pause, hurry.
Okay, and pause. Maybe there might be another button on here that'll help us. Wait a minute, what is this one?
It looks like a quarter.
How did I not notice this before? There's a quarter button.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Let's try it out and... It's a quarter.
Yeah.
Now we gotta make sure he gets it to the machine and puts it in and gets us our gumball.
Yeah.
Okay, go forward and then go left.
What? That's not left.
Oh no, I actually pushed right. I meant left. Now put the quarter in the machine and... Ready and twist! It worked!
That's so cool.
We got a red one! As you can have this one. Okay.
I'm yummy.
Hard to chew. Is it cherry?
Yeah. Do it again. Press the quarter button, hurry. Okay?
Lizzy, this next one is yours.
Yes. Okay. Put the quarter in. And twist. Twist it. What color is it? Twist it. Twist it. It's orange. Drop. I want it. Oh, I think it's gonna be orange flavor because it's orange.
I want to try doing mine now. Wait,
Okay.
can I try? Yeah, you can do mine.
Yes.
Let's see. Quarter button. It worked again. Put the quarter in and twist.
I hope that it's a green one.
It's red.
Here's my red one. Cherry flavor. We both got the same kind.
I want a gumball.
Canyon the robot wants a gumball, but they can't have gumballs.
What are we gonna do? He has all the quarters.
I have an idea. 3, 2, 1, quarter. Okay, it worked. Now what, Az? And put the quarter in the machine. And whoa, stop. We should return him back into Canyon using the closet so he can come and get the gumball himself.
Oh, that's perfect. But do we know for sure that he can change back into Canyon?
Oh no, I never even thought about that.
But we need to try.
Oh, I hope this works. Me too. Back up and return to closet. It's working. He's going back to the closet.
Careful about running to the couch.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Keep going over. And
this
stop.
side.
Open the door. Walk in. And
what about me?
Don't worry about it. We got that part figured out. Follow us. So Canyon, we had you as a robot put your quarter in the machine, and now all you need to do is twist the knob, and you'll get your gumball.
Okay. Twist, 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 twist. It's coming out. You got it right.
Good job, Lee. And
Do you think it's coconut flavored, Ego? I do not know. Is it coconut flavor?
whoa, it's hollow inside.
Yeah. Oh, that was totally worth being a robot.
Wait a minute. How do you know? Canyon, that was so much fun turning you into a robot.
Yeah.
And we hope you guys had fun too. Make sure to give this